Wings of Courage, the story of Captain Hansja Sharma and India's Rudra helicopter. In the quiet sky of India, where clouds touch mountains, and courage meets duty, a new story was written. Not by words, not by books, but by wings, and by a brave heart. This is the story of a young woman, a soldier, a pilot, Captain Hansja Sharma. And this is also the story of India's powerful helicopter, the Rudra, a story of dreams, discipline, dedication, and determination. Welcome to Wings of Courage. Every great journey starts with a dream. When we are children, we look at the sky and imagine, I want to fly, I want to be strong, I want to serve my country. But many people forget their dreams because of fear, because of society, because of pressure. But some people never give up. Captain Hansja Sharma was one of them. She was born in Jammu and Kashmir, a beautiful land, but also a difficult land. Mountains, cold weather, challenges. Life was not easy, but her dream was clear. Joining the Indian Army is not simple. It needs strong body, strong mind, strong heart. Every day is a test. Early morning runs, hard physical training, long hours of study, strict discipline. Many people quit, but Hansja Sharma did not quit. She trained harder. She focused more. She believed in herself. She became an officer. She became a captain. But her journey was not finished. It was just starting, because her next goal was to become a helicopter pilot, a combat pilot, one of the most dangerous jobs in the Army. Flying a helicopter is not easy. Flying a combat helicopter is even harder. Pilots must learn navigation, weather reading, emergency handling, night flying, low altitude flying. One small mistake can cost life. Hansja Sharma joined the Combat Army Aviation Training School. Every day was full of pressure. Training flights, simulators, exams, tests, physical pain, mental stress, emotional pressure. But she stayed strong. She studied late nights. She practiced again and again. She asked questions. She improved every day. Slowly, she became better, faster, smarter, stronger. Finally, she stood first in her batch. She won the Silver Cheetah Trophy. She became the best trainee pilot. History was in making. Now let us talk about the machine she flies, the Rudra helicopter. Rudra is made in India by HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It is a weaponized helicopter. It is not for travel. It is not for comfort. It is for war. It is for protection. Features of Rudra: powerful engines, modern radar, thermal cameras, night vision systems, weapons, 20mm gun, rocket launchers, missiles, air-to-air weapons. Rudra can fly in mountains, in deserts, in forests, in high altitude. It supports soldiers on the ground. When soldiers are in danger, Rudra comes from the sky, like a guardian angel. Flying Rudra needs courage, because pilots fly very low, very fast, very close to danger. Only the best pilots are selected, and Hansja Sharma became one of them. In January 2026, India created history. Captain Hansja Sharma became India's first woman pilot, qualified to fly Rudra. Think about this. For years, combat helicopters were flown by men, not because women were weak, but because society thought so. She changed this thinking. She proved skill has no gender, courage has no gender, patriotism has no gender. She earned her place, not by sympathy, but by merit, by hard work, by excellence. She was also selected to lead her squadron. In Republic Day Parade, millions of Indians watched. A woman, in uniform, flying a combat helicopter. It was not just her victory. It was India's victory. Being a combat pilot is not glamorous. It is full of responsibility. Every mission is risky. Every flight is dangerous. Pilots must protect soldiers, follow orders, make quick decisions, stay calm in fear. Sometimes, they fly in storms, in darkness, under enemy fire. They cannot panic. They cannot hesitate. One wrong move can cost many lives. Hansja Sharma understands this. She trains every day. She respects her team. She respects her machine. She respects her duty. For her, flying is not adventure. It is service. It is sacrifice. Today, India is changing. Women are becoming fighter pilots, warship commanders, soldiers, officers. Earlier, doors were closed. Now doors are opening. Because of brave women like Hansja. They inspire. Girls in villages, girls in cities, girls in schools. They say, you can do it. Do not be afraid. Believe in yourself. When one woman rises, thousands rise. Rudra helicopter is made in India. It shows. India trusts itself. India builds itself. India protects itself. Earlier, we depended on other countries. Now we create our own weapons, our own planes, our own missiles, our own helicopters. This is called Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India. Hansja Sharma flying Rudra shows. Indian talent plus Indian technology equals strong India. Dear friends, this story is not only about army. It is about life. It teaches us, dream big, work hard, stay focused, never quit. You may be poor. You may be from small town. You may face problems. But if you have courage, you can rise. Do not waste time. Do not fear failure. Do not follow negativity. Learn skills. Build discipline. Respect time. Your country needs you. In every field. Doctor, teacher, engineer, soldier, creator. Be useful. Be honest. Be strong. In the vast sky of India, a helicopter flies. Inside it, a brave woman sits. With calm eyes, with steady hands, with fearless heart. She is not flying for fame. She is flying for us, for our safety, for our peace, for our future. Captain Hansja Sharma, a symbol of courage, a symbol of change, a symbol of India's strength. Her story tells us, limits are only in the mind. If you believe, if you work, if you never give up, you can touch the sky. Thank you. Jai Hind India.